Hello, my name is Bryce Tubbs, and I believe that some weeds are more beautiful than flowers. Okay, so in the literal sense, that might sound confusing, but in the actual, sense of business, that's what I'm talking about. So, oftentimes you'll see people and it's like looks really glamorous, right? But they have no clients. Then other people you'll see like their videos are grainy. You'll see like they don't even know how to spell inside of their thumbnails or their titles. A lot of different things. They don't use proper, accounting terms or proper, but their business is crushing it. And it's because they understand what moves the needle forward. They understand that it's not always about looking the prettiest, but it's about being the most effective. They are the weeds, the ones that are hardest to dissuade when life throws challenges at them. Okay? A lot of the flowers, they look really nice, but as soon as a couple challenges comes at them, they're too fragile to actually weather the storm and they don't make it out to the other side. Okay? But if you want to learn how to become a better looking weed, I recommend you go join my group called Uncapped Growth Strategies. There's going to be a link in the description below. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Take it easy. Have a great one.